Hello everyone and welcome back again. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to customize your checkout page in Shopify. Now if you're looking forward to do this and you don't know how, well, this video is for you. Let's talk. The first thing you need to do is access the Shopify admin and theme editor. So what do? Log into your Shopify admin panel, click on online store, select themes, select customize, and then it's going to take you to the customized checkout page. Now when you're here, you're going to see the code theme editor. So Shopify's theme editor provides visual tools to customize various aspects of your checkout page. So look for page checkout section in the theme editor sidebar. Next, click on the logo. Ensure your logo is prominently displayed. You can adjust the colors to match your brand, like the background, the text, the buttons. Then you can also change the font and font sizes for better readability. You can add a background image or color to enhance the visual appeal. Customize the display of other summary information like subtotal, shipping, tax. And don't forget to customize the appearance of your add to cart and checkout buttons. Once you're through with this, you can also go into advanced customization for developers. You can edit the code. So for more advanced customization, you can edit the checkout code directly. You might require some coding knowledge. But be very cautious because editing code can introduce errors. Always back up your team before making any code changes. Then, after that, you have to don't forget to maintain consistency. Keep your checkout page consistent with your overall brand identity. Make the checkout process as simple and intuitive as possible to minimize cart abandonment. Test thoroughly. Test the checkout page on different devices and browsers to ensure it functions correctly and looks good across all platforms. Then you can also use Shopify apps. You can explore Shopify apps that offer advanced checkout customization options such as Checkout Page Plus, which provides more flexibility for customizing the checkout page. We also have Aftership, which offers enhanced tracking and delivery options. By carefully customizing your Shopify checkout page, you can create a seamless and engaging customer experience that encourages conversions. Now, the specific customization options may vary depending on the theme you are using. So I hope this guide helps you. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel if you want more tips like this. Thanks for watching.